I usually have an answer to the question, but this time I'm gonna be quiet.
Alright guys, so first time trying this vlog type thing. As you can see in the footage here, doing a walk around of my buddy's EVO 8. We got a little crew or whatever, and he needed help putting on coilovers and oil pan and all that stuff. So basically, yeah, I mean, see if you guys like it. I mean, let me know if you do. Drop a comment below if you do. Let me know if you want more. Right now, I'm just showing the coilovers, all that, basically. Yeah. Got some sick clips, sick turbo pulls, blow off valves, all that. So make sure y'all stay tuned, like, and subscribe. Peace. So this clip, basically they're having trouble getting the last factory coilover off. They did the first 3 earlier throughout the day, so took us about, I say, 10 minutes to get this off. I mean, yeah, trying to show you guys a little bit. As you can see, the camera's a little bit shaky. Zoomed in there on the coilover, the top of the factory one. See, we got all the other sides in already, just that one that's being a pain in the ass to take out. So
Ocean.
wanted to show, you know, go follow that, Dream Chasers underscore EVO 9. So there you go. Finally got that coilover off. Alright guys, now in this clip we're just doing a little quick walk around of the car since we have all the coilovers on. Sits pretty flush. The back is tucking a little bit. I think it's like you can feel like a finger in there, I think. I think I showed it in a little bit also. So EVO 9 looks pretty good. I mean, in its stock form also. I mean, looks pretty good. As you can see here, that clip is I was talking about now. When I put my fingers up there and, you know, and my finger got stuck right there, as you can see. I had to pull it out. Alright y'all, this clip here we're gonna start, we're gonna attempt to start on the oil pan. We got a storm that's rolling in, so jacking up the car here. I think I had some underneath clips of that too, you know. And by the way guys, if you're wondering why the most of the audio is muted through these clips, it's because music is playing in the background and that's copyright, so and we can't have that on this channel. Alright, so and here comes the underneath clip. You guys really can't see much, you can see a little. Yeah, you can basically see, so not gonna bother you guys too much more of the clip, just gonna throw some music over this and let it play, so yeah.
Silky beat.
In a few seconds here, you're gonna see him pick up the hood, and there should be a socket somewhere on the brace where it shuts. Yep, that socket right there near the radiator. Do you see it? Yep, right there. You see it? Yes. Yeah, that's basically what was stopping the hood. And here we get a cool engine bay shot or whatever. Looks pretty clean to me, actually. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, now here comes the fun part. As you guys can see me hopping in the passenger side right there. We're gonna go for a ride in this thing. It's my first time ever being in an EVO 9, excuse me, EVO 9. Yeah. Alright guys, now here come the fun parts of the video, the pull, the test drives, all that. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I'm not gonna say nothing else for the remainder of the video or whatever. So yeah.